Hello, welcome to my channel. Before proceeding to study, please subscribe to my channel. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of blockchain technologies. We'll dive into key concepts like Lamport-Shostak-Pease BFT algorithm, BFT over asynchronous systems. Let's get started. Slide 1. Lamport-Shostak-Pease BFT algorithm. Let's start by exploring the Lamport-Shostak-Pease BFT algorithm. This is a foundational algorithm in distributed systems that addresses the Byzantine generals problem. It's critical in ensuring consensus even when some nodes in the system act maliciously or fail. 1. Definition. The Byzantine generals problem describes a scenario where a group of generals must agree on a single course of action, but some generals may be traitors trying to disrupt consensus. The Lamport-Shostak-Pease algorithm solves this by ensuring agreement among honest nodes despite faulty ones. Imagine a group of people deciding on a dinner location. Even if a few intentionally suggest conflicting options, the majority can still agree on one place. 2. Key steps. Message exchange. Nodes send and receive messages to understand the state of others. Majority vote. Honest nodes use a majority rule to filter out malicious messages. Fault detection. Faulty nodes are identified by their inconsistent or conflicting responses. Consensus. Once the honest nodes align, the system commits to the agreed value. 3. Key features. Fault tolerance ensures reliability even if up to 1/3 of nodes are faulty. The algorithm is iterative, requiring multiple rounds of communication to achieve consensus. Example. Practical applications include systems like Hyperledger Fabric, which use extensions of this algorithm for secure consensus. Slide 2. Advantages and disadvantages of Lamport-Shostak-Pease BFT algorithm. Every system has strengths and limitations, and this algorithm is no different. Let's discuss both sides to get a balanced understanding. Advantages. 1. Robustness. It ensures reliable consensus even in the presence of malicious nodes. Example. Military systems need this reliability to coordinate operations securely. 2. Mathematical rigor. Its correctness is proven mathematically, making it trustworthy. 3. Critical use cases. It's used in applications like blockchain and secure communication. 4. Guaranteed consensus. All honest nodes agree on the same value, ensuring consistency. 5. Fault isolation. Malicious nodes can be effectively sidelined. Disadvantages. 1. High communication overhead. Achieving consensus requires many message exchanges. Example. As the number of nodes increases, the system slows down significantly. 2. Scalability challenges. It's best suited for small networks due to these overheads. 3. Complexity. Designing and debugging the system is non-trivial. 4. Resource intensive. The algorithm consumes significant computational power. 5. Dependency on majority. If more than 1/3 of nodes are faulty, consensus cannot be achieved. Slide 3. BFT over asynchronous systems. Asynchronous systems. Asynchronous systems are a type of distributed system where there is no global clock, and tasks operate independently of each other. This means there is no fixed guarantee on the time it takes for a message to be sent or received, and processes may execute at different speeds. For example, consider a system where multiple users upload files to a cloud storage service. Each user's upload operates independently, without waiting for others to finish. In such systems, coordination can be challenging due to the lack of synchronization. Now, let's delve into BFT over asynchronous systems. This concept focuses on ensuring consensus in environments where timing and message delivery are unpredictable. Building Byzantine fault tolerance in such an environment adds complexity. Since there are no guarantees on communication delays or the timing of node responses, the system must handle scenarios where nodes appear unresponsive or delayed. This can make distinguishing between a faulty node and a slow one quite difficult. To address these challenges, BFT algorithms in asynchronous systems incorporate mechanisms to tolerate timing uncertainties and ensure reliability, even under the worst-case conditions. Key features. Let's go through each feature in detail. Lack of timing guarantees. Since asynchronous systems don't have a shared clock or fixed message delivery times, BFT algorithms need to assume the worst case, where delays could be indefinite. Message redundancy. Multiple copies of messages are often sent across the network to ensure delivery even if some paths are slow or unreliable. Leader-based coordination. Many BFT algorithms appoint a leader to manage consensus, but they also include mechanisms to replace the leader if it fails or becomes unreliable. Quorum agreement. Decisions are made based on the responses from a majority, or quorum, of nodes. This helps the system function even when some nodes are faulty. Cryptographic techniques. Techniques like digital signatures and message authentication codes, MACs, are used to detect and prevent malicious activity. Fault tolerance thresholds. In asynchronous systems, up to 1/3 of nodes can be malicious or faulty, and the system will still operate securely. Real-world application. Example and significance. To give a real-world example, Tendermint is a blockchain consensus algorithm designed specifically for asynchronous systems. It combines the security of BFT with practical performance to support decentralized networks. The significance of BFT in asynchronous systems lies in its ability to provide security and reliability in uncertain and unpredictable network environments, which are common in real-world distributed applications. Slide 4. Advantages and disadvantages of BFT in asynchronous systems. Understanding the benefits and trade-offs of BFT in asynchronous systems helps us appreciate its design and limitations. Advantages. 1. Decentralization eliminates the need for a central authority, enhancing resilience. 2. Fault resilience functions reliably even when some nodes fail or act maliciously. 3. Scalability supports distributed networks like blockchain. 4. Tamper resistance uses cryptographic methods to protect data integrity. 5. Real-world applications critical for cryptocurrencies and distributed databases. Disadvantages. 1. Latency. Delayed messages can slow down consensus. Example, in Bitcoin, block confirmation times can range from minutes to hours. 2. High resource use. Computational and storage demands are significant. 3. Complexity. Designing and optimizing for asynchronous environments is challenging. 4. Consensus limitations. If malicious nodes increase, consensus reliability decreases. 5. Energy intensive. Systems like proof of work consume large amounts of energy. Slide 5. Significance of BFT in blockchain systems. Finally, let's discuss why Byzantine fault tolerance is so important in blockchain systems and how it shapes modern decentralized applications. Significance. 1. Data integrity. Prevents tampering with transaction records in blockchains. 2. Security. Safeguards against malicious actors in decentralized networks. 3. Fault tolerance. Ensures continuous operation despite node failures. 4. Scalability potential. Forms the basis for advancing blockchain technologies. 5. Interoperability. Provides a foundation for integrating multiple blockchain platforms. Examples. 1. Bitcoin uses proof of work to handle Byzantine faults. 2. Ethereum 2.0 employs proof of stake for efficiency. 3. Hyperledger Fabric leverages PBFT for permissioned networks. Future directions. 1. Transitioning to energy-efficient consensus mechanisms like proof of stake. 2. Developing hybrid models that combine the strengths of various consensus methods. In essence, BFT and its adaptations are the backbone of secure, reliable, and decentralized systems that drive innovation in blockchain technology.